Severe flooding hit Gauteng, South Africa, causes infrastructure damage. The intersection of End and Rabie streets in Centurion has been severely impacted by heavy flooding, resulting in extensive damage to road infrastructure and forcing authorities to close the area until further notice. Residents and motorists have been urged to avoid the intersection as emergency services and municipal teams work to assess the damage and begin repairs. Reports of the flooding first surfaced on social media late Friday night, December 20th, as torrential rains overwhelmed the area. Emergency services were swiftly dispatched to the scene, working through the night to rescue stranded individuals. The South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 4 warning for disruptive rainfall across multiple regions including Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and the Free State. Ward 57 councillor David Farquharson described the scene as devastating, highlighting that one car was completely swept away by the floodwaters. Authorities have announced that the intersection will remain closed for an indefinite period to allow for a thorough assessment of the damage and the initiation of repair work. Weather forecasters anticipate rainfall accumulations of 70 to 150 millimeters in some areas, with heavy rains expected to continue over the weekend. KwaZulu-Natal is particularly at risk, with severe thunderstorms predicted through Saturday evening.